I am so glad I did not leave Vigan before trying all this food out. Hello folks, it's just gone sundown and the street lighting here in Vigan has turned on, and I'm actually going to be leaving this city and going back to Manila in today's video, catching an overnight bus with Marshas. But before I set off, I need to make sure that my stomach is full for this 7-hour journey back to BGC Manila. And I haven't tried any of the local delicacies in Vigan. And so I'm going to be doing that now in today's video. And there's 3 places I want to visit. I've got this list in my back pocket somewhere. Here it is. Nicole, who is a receptionist at Hotel Luna, basically drawed it out for me where I need to visit here in Vigan on this map right here. And we're going to try out 5 delicacies. We're going to try out longanisia, poki, bagnet, bibingka, pinakbet, and empanada. Empanada we can actually eat along this very street here. There's a very famous little restaurant tucked in one of these old houses or buildings along Calle Cristalogo, if I'm pronouncing that right. I think I'm going to try the empanada first because I think it's the closest one near us. And the restaurant we're visiting to eat the empanada is none other than Brick House Diners. Hello, how do you do? Open? Yes, ma'am? Can I get the famous empanada? Yeah? Oh, is it here? Wow. Whoa. They're already made. Okay. Can I get one? Dine in, please. Yes. Oh, what is that?
Soka, sir.
Soka. Vinegar. Is it sweet?
No, sir. It's sour.
It's sour. Okay. Nice. How much is one? Makano?
50 pesos, sir.
Only? Wow, it smells so delicious. Oh, they're pulling it out of the oven. Is that nice and hot? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Do you do any drinks or no? What goes best with this? Mountain Dew or Coke? Okay, I'll get a Mountain Dew. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna sit on these little small plastic stools here, right outside on the streets here in Vigan. So an empanada is basically a pastry with like some sort of chicken or beef filling. So let's dig into this now with our plastic utensils. It's not the most easiest thing to eat with plastic utensils, is it? Oh, just use hands, yeah?
Yeah, so use your hands.
Use your hands. Okay, let's do that. Forget the plastic utensils, eh? That's way better. All right, break it by hand. Oh, did you see that? It was steaming earlier, and it looks like we've got bits of beef in there, egg. Oh, that's masara. Oh, I haven't even tried it with the sauce. Here is the vinegar. The vinegar is supposed to be sour. It's not sweet. They haven't added anything there, like sugar, to make it sweet. This would make for an amazing breakfast meal. But here in Vigan, people seem to eat it at any time of the day, really. Especially the tourists that visit. So good. I've just gone through half of it. Now I'm going to dig into the other half. I can't believe it's only 50 pesos. That's about $1 US. And take a look at the view that I'm eating to. 1 out of 5 dishes tried out. We've still got 4 more to go. How's your empanada? Good?
Good?
Yeah?
What country are you from?
I'm from the UK. You local?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
I was doing a bike tour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
From where?
I came from Sagada on the mountain province.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's where the famous rice terraces are, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll now bring out our trusty map of Vigan. Yes, I'm starting to pronounce it right. Okay, so empanada, check. We've got 4 more. Oh, it's just 5 here. Oops, we might have 5 things to try out. I'm now walking back along the same street in the direction which I already came from to go visit a restaurant called Cocina Felicitas. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but from there we're going to be able to try out a lot of the food delicacies on this map. Hello, horsey. Working hard or hardly working? This restaurant that we're visiting wasn't just recommended by Nicole at Hotel Luna, but it was also recommended by my friend, if you remember, if you cast your mind back to Blondie that we met in a previous video. I can't remember how many videos I introduced you guys to her. but she also recommended I eat here, and it's inside this hotel. Cafe Uno is also on the side here. Restaurant still open?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I get a table for one?
This way, sir.
This way. Oh.
Nakikaya mo or share ka na lang.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Shall I sit here? Is that not part of Cocina Felicitas, that area over there?
The same menu, sir.
Same menu, right? Oh, okay.
This one, sir. This is
Alright.
for pasta and drinks, sir. Then this is for noodles.
But this is also Cafe Uno, so it's like the same.
Yes.
Okay, nice. All right, ma'am. I know what to order. I've got it right here on this sheet. But let's take a quicker look at the menu. Oh wow, I love that menu. Look at that. Look how big the pictures are. The pictures take up a half of a page. Oh yeah, nice big pictures to know exactly what you're ordering up. They do bolalo here? Wow, interesting. Sinigang, sizzling, bagnet. Oh, there we are. Bagnet apata. There's the famous longanisa. Ooh, sisig. I haven't had sisig in a while. Oh my goodness. This might be the ultimate restaurant in Vigan. They've got every Filipino cuisine you could ever want. If your friend was visiting for the first time in the Philippines and you wanted to show a nice condensed summary of all the Filipino cuisines, this would be the menu to show them. This is like the ultimate Filipino cuisine menu. Whoa, the food's arrived.
Fried and crispy.
Okay.
Then longanisa, sir.
Longanisa. Is this just basically pork belly?
Then pinakbet with bagnet, sir.
Whoa.
And pigi poki, sir.
Whoa. Thank you so much.
It's for the bagnet, sir.
Holy moly, the aroma of this food is delicious. So we got the bagnet here, which is supposed to be mixed with these tomatoes and onions. We got the longanisa on the side there. We got the porky, which is mashed potato and eggplant on the side here too. And then this big bowl is the pinkabet with pork in there as well. You see it? It's all been mixed in. Now, time to try it out. I think there's too much here for me to finish it all, but I'm gonna try. Let's try a bit of the pork belly. Pretty crispy. Okay, so I've just poured the vegetables over the lechon kawali. I would say the pork belly is just a little bit too crispy, too crunchy. It's not over the top, but for my liking, I would have liked it to be a little bit softer. But maybe we can make it a little bit softer by pouring this over it. Let's see if that's better. Oh, makes a world of a difference. The broth of this particular soup here is very, very strong. Now, to describe the broth, it has this very savory taste, which I believe is made from fish sauce. I don't know if it's fermented fish sauce, but it's some sort of fish sauce. So you've got to be really careful. You only have to have a tiny little bit to get the flavor. It's amazing. Whoa, those vegetables absolutely burst in flavor because they've absorbed all the juice from the broth. And we also need to try the longanisa. It tastes just like a sausage, but it has this nice bitter taste, but it's quite savory. Not super savory, but just right. The skin is ever so crispy, and then when you bite into it, the texture is really nice and soft. And I love how small they are. I thought they were a lot bigger, because actually when you walk around Vigan, the sausages tend to be like that big, especially if you're getting these sort of longanisa, but here they're very, very small. Make sure to rip off this string here, because one can easily get carried away by just throwing them in your mouth. So they're like bite-sized sausages. And then we'll throw a bit of lechon kawali in there. I don't know why they don't call it lechon kawali here. They call it bagnet. So I'm just going to call it bagnet. Don't want to offend any people. Wow. I am so glad I did not leave Vigan before trying all this food out. And I can't believe you can get all of this from one restaurant. So you've got to make sure if you come to Vigan, you try out this restaurant called Cocina Felicitas. So from this very restaurant, we've managed to taste 4 of the 6 dishes. I only have one left after this, and that's the bibinka, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get my hands on one because it is approaching pretty late in the day. It's around about 7 p.m. So it might be sold out, or they might still have a few. But they're definitely not going to be cooking up new ones at this time, I don't think. Okay, the total bill came out to $13.95. There you go. If you're planning on eating here, make sure you bring cash because they don't have a functioning card machine, so I had to run all the way to the ATM. All right, thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. Oh. Alrighty, folks. I am super full. I'm so full. I feel a little bit ill to walk around the streets of Vigan. But I've heard, you know, walking is helps with digestion. I always thought it was the inverse. If you start walking right away after you eat, I thought that was quite bad for you. But some online sources say it's good. Anyway, it's now time to bring out our trusty map, which I've forgotten in the restaurant. God damn it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Here it is. To visit the next and last spot on today's itinerary. And we are here right now. We gotta go back in this direction and then turn right. Do you know who does bibinka?
Marshas.
Marshall. Okay, thank you. I don't know the name of where to get the bibinka from, but it looks like you can get some traditional Filipino bibinka from Marshas Delicacy. Located just outside Cafe Leona in this plaza here on the side, right next to the ATM Maybank. This is the main entrance here, and they look like they do their own Filipino food too. That really looks like watermelon sinigang, doesn't it? Evening, ma'am. I am looking for some bibinka. Whoa, that is a huge box. Hi, ma'am. Do you do just like one bibinka, or is it all like boxes? Oh, can I see one? Whoa. What am I gonna do with all of those? Don't you think that's too many for one person?
2 minutes.
Too many, right? How much is one box?
160.
160? Oh, okay. Do your colleagues want to eat some bibinka?
You'll buy it.
Yeah. Sure. I'll buy one, and then I'll take one, and you can share with your colleagues, okay? 100. Okay, thank you, man. Now let's eat. All right. I'm just gonna take one. I'll probably take the one at the end. Oh, damn! It really is like a pie. Okay, enjoy, man. All right, here we are. A bibinka from Marshas. Is it Marshas restaurant or Marshas Delicacies? The overall texture feels really soft, or very, very malleable. You gotta be very delicate with it. I've had a bibinka before in BGC, but I've never tried one up north, and straight away the texture of this is way softer than the one I tried in Market and BGC. So let's dig into it. It's kind of hard to remove this plastic packaging. It's kind of like glued on due to the sugar probably around the bibinka. Whoa, that is sweet, and it's chewy too. The texture is so squidgy. I can't believe how squidgy it is. But the overall taste, the sweetness of it, is not very strong. It's a subtle sweetness which I like. So you could probably have 2 or 3 of these without feeling it ill. That was a very unique bibinka. I enjoyed that. Oh. And there we are, folks. Mission success. There goes the noisy tricycle. We've tried 6 out of 6 dishes of vegan delicacies tonight. Couldn't believe we actually fitted all of them in. The majority of them that we tried out was from the restaurant over there, Cocina Felicitas, and the last place we tried out was Marshas Delicacies, where I only literally tried the bibinka from there, but they do some other stuff as well. You saw some cupcakes that I pointed out earlier. Folks, I think I've completed vegan. I mean, there's probably a few things that I've left out, but I've done the most significant things that there are to do here in this city. Now I'm gonna go get my baggage from Hotel Luna, and then we're gonna head to the Partas bus terminal and see if we can still catch a bus tonight back to Manila. Hello, how do you do? Hi. Where are you from?
We're from
Abra.
Yeah.
Inside Ilocos? Yeah? No? Oh, outside, okay. Bye. So I'm making my way back to Hotel Luna, which is just to my right here. This overall trip has been short but sweet. I've kept it nice and short, but managed to do all the things that I wanted here. So I'm really happy. I'm starting to feel a little bit sad that I'm leaving. Whoa, didn't realize this door just swings open. I had to catch it before it smashes into the side of that pillar. Kind of don't want to be going, folks. Yeah. Hello, Nicole. I tried everything out. I tried all 6 things that you kindly drew out on the map for me. Where is the map? Oh no, in the last moment. I've lost the map, folks. Oh, I left it back. But for now, I'm just gonna wait for my baggage to be brought to me from the luggage room, and then we're gonna start making our way to the Partas bus terminal, to which I'm gonna have to grab a train. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Nicole.
Tricycle.
Yeah, I need a tricycle. Dude. I could probably just wave one down, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Thank you so much, Nicole. Appreciate your help. Nice to meet you too. Have a good evening. Bye-bye. Yes, please. Okay. No need to run, Paul. It's okay. It's so funny here in Vigan, if you want to call a tricycle, people just clap their hands, and then like a local kabayan or tricycle driver will just come to your rescue. Aha, our tricycle's here. Hello, I'm going to Partas bus terminal. Yes, please. Thank you, Paul. Salamat. Thank you. Wait.
You're going back to Manila already, sir?
Yeah,
Where you from, sir?
I'm from the UK. Yeah.
I'm Marvin.
You're Marvin? Oh, I'm Mergim.
Tricycle tour guide here in Vigan.
Oh, really? Nice. He's a tricycle tour guide in the city. Oh, man. This was...
If you have a friend going to Vigan,
Yeah.
then you may recommend.
Oh, okay. No worries. Sure.
I will give you a calling card later.
Okay. I feel kind of emotional, folks, on this tricycle. Oh, they're playing chess. Hello, how'd you do? Damn, there was like 5 chessboards where all those Filipinos are playing. Oh, man. I feel, as I was saying earlier, I feel kind of emotional leaving on this tricycle back to Manila BGC. I'm sure I'll be back. I'll be back here to visit the sand dunes in Powai, maybe with some friends next time.
Did you go to Hawaii a while ago, sir?
I did, yeah. I went to Powai, Bangi. Yeah, but I was alone. Maybe next time I'll bring unadventurous Justin and Show.
They will enjoy the Hawaii sunshine.
Yeah, sand dunes was amazing. And you know what? Not only is this place vegan, rich of history and things to see around the local area in Ilocos, but the people are also what makes this place really special. Super friendly people. Everywhere you go here, people greet you. They're really welcoming. People are so nice here, and they're willing to go the extra mile just to help you out. Thank you, Paul. Here we are, Partas bus terminal. Okay, so it looks like the rules vary slightly on the timing in which you catch one of these buses. When I came here earlier today, they told me you can just buy a ticket from the bus conductor on the bus, but I think like around about 8 or 9 p.m. when you start taking like the late night buses, you have to purchase yourself a ticket from the ticketing booth here. Oh wow, they got a Marshas delicacy there too, with bibinka. If I knew that, I would have just come here. Hello Paul, can I get a ticket for Manila? Is that bus full? Oh, okay, when's the next bus? 8:30. What time is it now? Yeah, that's fine. No problem, yeah. My goodness, folks, Partas sure does have an extensive fleet of buses and coaches that run from Manila all the way to Ilocos. But folks, I'm going to wrap up today's video here at the Partas bus terminal here in Vigan City. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.